Jain religion. Very a VIP simple woman Jesus dog coffee crocheting shirt lot akin to Hinduism in Jainism. Buddhism ever since they got here into being photovoltaic meditation has been in vogue. Over many centuries the buffalo slowly migrated southward till they inhabited a lot of the grasslands of the USA. It is rather tough to achieve victory over them in direct combat or duel. One proud VIP simple woman Jesus dog coffee crocheting shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, Asian and North VIP simple woman Jesus dog coffee crocheting shirt American continents. At the moment this imbalance was set proper by Matsyavatar or fish incarnation. The concept of time operates like a house might find itself as one other inaccurate philosophical assumption. However, contemplating that there's a whole lot of info we have to course about our historical past, it could take two greater than just some days to type out which random reality is crucial to our development and which aren't. A male buffalo might stand as excessive as 6 feet and weigh as much as 2,000 kilos. Other products.